Okay, so we're gonna move on to the Galaxy Tab S8 Plus. It's very thin, thinner than the Tab S7s that I purchased in the past. So let's take a look at the knife here. Open it up a little bit. Right here too. Here we go. So Tab S8 Ultra, S Pen, blah blah blah, and this is the pink gold color. Only one that was available when I bought this combo. 256 gig of RAM. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. There we go. Wow, super thin. Open these tabs here. Wow, look at this beautiful tablet. Very nice. You got your volume buttons at the bottom here. The SD card slot. And actually, this is the bottom, because those are the charging pins there. And this is the top. Okay, let's see what comes in the box here. So you have your S Pen, which fits back here on the back of the tablet here. Oops. Here we go. Yeah. Looks like that. It's a magnet, so it's gonna stay there. Let's see what else is here. So we have a USB-C to C charging cable. Really nothing else in here. And a little SD card ejection tool and some additional paperwork inside. That's pretty much it. I'll put this stuff back in here for now. Not gonna need this charging cable because I got a bunch of them already. Okay. Yeah, actually, there it is. So you have beautiful pink rose gold tablet here. It's going to be used by my wife, so you know, color looks perfect for a girl, right? So there we go. And we have the book cover keyboard slim. As you can see, it fits the S7 Plus, S7 Plus 5G, S7FE, FE5G, S8 Plus, and S8 Plus 5G. So I'm gonna see if I can open this up in the back. You know what? I'm gonna leave it as is for now. You can see the additional information on the back of the box. That's pretty much it. Yeah, it has a little slot here for the pen. All right, and so that is our beautiful, very thin S8 Plus tablet. Thank you.